On the Content Randomizer, there are several options you can use for picture sizing, picture location, and slideshows. I'm going to show you how to do that now. First, you go into template pages. Once you're on your template page, click on edit. We will go to one of the pictures in here. Go to service images, they're all the same. First shortcode is the main shortcode that you would put into your top content box. This is if you want to set up an image slider, and if you want to make it auto, you can put in the word auto at the end, and it will make it auto. At the end of this shortcode, you can put size equals medium, large, or full. That'll change the size of your image. At the end of this shortcode, you can put in the word class equals align left, align right, or align center. Here's some more examples of things you can do. Size image, so it's ISS image equals size large, slider auto, service image slider auto size large, service image slider size medium. So you can use any of these different shortcodes and create your own shortcode out of this shortcode to completely control anything you would ever want to do with any of your images.